Ganun. Kasi marami din kami nakita talent na okay lang yung nakita nating fire. So, there's a lot that goes into it. And we always talk about it as judges or even with the hosts. To even answer your second question, ano yung feeling na meron kaming sort of power or say sa magiging next big thing or the winner of this contest? Of course, it's a very big responsibility. But I think because everyone here is really putting in all of their efforts to really come up with the best possible way we can fairly judge and critique all these contestants. I think the production did a good job in making sure na lahat ng sasabak dito, everyone has a fair chance. And dito, since first time ko sa PGT, dito ko lang nakita talaga na ibang klase yung talento ng Pinoy na kailangan talaga makita ng world stage. So yun yung hinahanap. Yun yung puso ng show. So, yeah, and it's been a crazy experience so far. The most intense thing is never namin malalaman kung ano ba o sino bang makita natin to walk out of this stage, and that's what makes it so cool. So just to be part of this, it's truly a blessing.
Alam ko, surprisingly, ang gagaling ng mga bagong judges namin.
Wow! Yes!
Ako naman, I've been judging for the last 6 years, and this is 7th year. Masyado na akong jaded, nakita ko na lahat eh. It's so difficult for me to look for that right talent that would make a difference. But definitely nga po. There's only one word that will describe. Yung wow factor. Pag tinamaan ka niyan, alam mo na, eto na yun. Which they describe in so many words, no? How the room will change with Donnie, right? How it affects you. But it's really hard to judge. And these people are so nice na mabait sila sa mga talents. Na pag nando sila, nilalapitan pa nila. At sabihin sige, umulit ka ulit, magaling ka naman eh. So I love working with these people.
Well, my second question is for Robbie and diba, Melay. May hapon, Melay.
May hapon masaya.
Okay, I know PBB is a lot different, pero syempre, it's still a popular show. Pero may ma-advise ba kayo sa mga contestants sa PGT?
Ako ang advice ko sila, humingi sila ng advice iba. Ang advice ko naman sa kanila is, alam mo, kapag sumali ka naman, at kahit nga nagtatrabaho ka sa araw-araw, ang gawin mo lang naman is, do your best. And God will do the rest, di ba? So, pag ginawa mo ng best mo, mano ka ba, mag-yes ka ba dyan, basta yung sarili mo na kontento ka, approve. Di ba? Okay na ba yun?
Magkaibang ano siya, magkaibang programa. Kasi doon sa isang programa na yun, kung saan kami galing na yun, sobrang, alam na namin kung paano. Hindi naman namin sobrang alam kung paano yung formula, no? Pero, doon kasi magpapakatotoo eh, di ba? Dito, yes, kailangan magpakatotoo, pero ipakita mo yung galing at talento mo. Dahil naharap ka agad-agad sa power judges natin. At kailangan mo ako ng yes. And I think, kailangan mo ipakita yung galing at talento ng Pinoy. That's the basic component.
Okay. Siguro kung hindi kayo PGT host, if you were contestants, ano kayo yung talent makikita namin sa inyo? For fun lang. That's my last question.
Ako siguro ang gagawin ko, sing and dance with a twist.
Paano yung twist na yun?
Habang nagsiswimming.
Serena?
Sabi nga, pero gagawin mo talaga ang best. May rehearsal ka to the kuan kasi syempre hindi ba basta-basta ang mga judges natin. So, kailangan mo lagyan ng twist. Para talagang ma-amaze, mapasabi talaga si FMJ na wow. Diba?
I think yung ginagawa ko palagi sa PGT ngayon, talento na. To be with Melay. Diba? Tatagal ka kasama ito, kaya saludong-saludo ako kay Jason.
Hoy!
Ang galing-galing mo. Ikaw ang pinaka-talented na tao na kilala ko.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Natalie.
Salamat po. And our next question naman is from John Bueno of kumagkao.com. Ang question po ay para kay Madam Melay Cantiveros. Melay, you have experiences in reality shows and won all of them.
Okay.
What advice would you give to a person trying their best to win in this competition? Why do you think was the reason you won? And what could they apply in this show to do the same?
Parang ChatGPT.
Do you want me to repeat the question? Miss Mary?
I can answer. My answer is, why you English? Grabe naman yung parang tanong si Kumanta, uy! Ano naman tanong? Pwede isa-isa lang. Ano na sabi mo?
Ano daw yun? Meron na daw mga experiences na sa reality shows at saka lahat daw yun napanalunan mo na.
Hindi ko naman nakapagkaroon na.
Ano daw yung advice mo na pwedeng ibigay sa mga contestant para manalo naman dito sa competition na to?
Basta ako, ang ginawa ko lang dito sa mga competition na ginawa ko talaga is number one, naglista na sila ba? Pero walang kwenta itong sagot ko. Number one is prayer. I-pray mo talaga kung itutuloy mo ba yung decision mo na sumali ka sa contest na yan. Baka naman hindi ka fit dyan, diba? So prayer, yung decision mo, maging decision din ni Lord. Second is practice. Kung ano yung pinasok mo, kailangan practicean mo talaga yan. Kung dancing ba yan, mag-practice ka. Hindi yung papasok ka na dyan ka na mag-dancing. Mali yan, ganyan. Number 3, hindi ako galit ha, explain na. And then, number 3, ibigay mo ang all mo sa every performance mo. Huwag kang magpatalo sa kaba at huwag kang magpatalo sa sinasabi ng iba. Pakinggan mo lang ang sarili mo. Hanggang kausapin mo ang sarili mo. So, yun ang top 3 na ginawa ko lang sa buhay ko na napagtagumpayan ko ng mga reality.
Yes, 3 pieces of advice from Ma'am Shimelay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much po. Ito naman po, next question from Inquirer from Marilel Cruz. This question is for Miss Catherine Bernardo po. So the question is, you've spoken about stepping out of your comfort zone recently. What's the bravest thing you've done for yourself? Also, what does being a woman of power mean to you?
Wow, wala siya here. That was her question. Okay, so here was the first question. Let's start from there.
What's the bravest thing you've done for yourself recently?
Today. Today, the bravest thing I've done for myself. Sheesh. Siguro, I don't know. I'm at the point, I'm turning 29 right in a few days. So I'm at the point in my life again wherein I feel so lost. And I felt this, I remember when I parang gave a message for our Thanksgiving party for House of Us. This was the same feeling. I didn't expect na mafe-feel ko ulit to, pero siguro it's part of you know, adulting and growing. And nararamdaman ko siya ngayon, just like everybody else. I don't know kung nararamdaman to talaga kapag medyo ganitong age ka na, but it's hitting me hard. And to be honest, I'm so scared, I'm so lost, but I think it's so brave na every day I show up, just like what Donnie said kanina. I show up and I choose to grow and accept all the uncertainties. Because, I don't know, bigla ko lang siyang na-feel na, of course, after Hello Love Again, and now I'm doing PGP, pero may feeling lang ako na parang, diba? And I think siguro birthday blues na to, my quarter life crisis, na parang, what's next for me? Parang I'm feeling all these emotions. So feeling ko it's just brave na tinanggap ko yun. I'm allowing myself to be vulnerable. I have my days. And hindi ko rin tinatago sa mga tao. So now, I think part of me growing is me getting my own place as well. And I think it's like my transition stage. I'd like to call this my transition stage na feeling ko kasi in the next coming years is very, very important kasi yun yung magdidictate kung saan ako sa future. It's not na parang, okay, I'm in my early 20s, ito pa, ang dami ko pang time para matuto. Pero ngayon parang iba pala pag magto-29. So I'm feeling that. So feeling ko getting my own place, it's a big adjustment for me, my family, especially my mom. But it's my way of getting to know myself more and growing. So yes, I'm scared. I don't know what will happen. I don't know if I can do it. But I'm just here for it. I'm just very open and I'm here for growth. So wish me luck in the coming months. I'm just accepting and I just want to feel everything right now.
And yung next question ko, Miss Kat.
Sorry, next question ko pa pala.
Yes po.
Sorry.
What does being a woman of power mean to you?
A woman of power. I think a woman is so powerful every time she helps other women. That's my personal answer. Kasi, di ba, meron tayo the society, parang especially kaming mga babae, I don't know, sad lang na parang kaya yung naglalagay ng ano sa amin. Parang you're pitting us against each other. Parang you're giving us that ano na, okay, competition to, I have to be better than this, I have to be better than her. Parang, it's sad because if kami, mga babae, magsama-sama, parang we become more powerful. And iba yung feeling kapag siguro kaming mga babae, especially now, it's Women's Month. Sa lahat pala na nandito, Happy Women's Month. If we just work together, kaming mga babae become so powerful. So instead of putting each other down, sana tayo mga babae magkaroon tayo ng safe space sa atin. Whether it's your family, your sister, a friend, or a mentor. Iba yung feeling kapag meron kang nakakausap na babae na pinapa-feel sa'yo na you're okay, you're doing a great job, you're safe here, we got your back. So sana, yun yung mas-spread natin na instead of pitting us against each other, maybe we can just help each other and let's just stop comparing women. Kasi hindi talaga yung nakakatulong. Sa feeling ko, hindi lang naman sa showbiz, pero sa inyo, sa work nyo, kahit saan tayo magpunta, meron kasing ganun. So sana ma-break yun, and unti-unti. Parang don't use that to entertain people kasi I think women deserve better.
Thank you so much, Mr. Green.
Thank you. And another